This sub hits harder than your ex's karma. Rockford Fosgate P300-12 review. Feeling the bass void? You ever blast your playlist, waiting for that drop to shake your soul, but instead, your speakers wheeze like a tired grandma on karaoke night? Yeah, we've all been there. Weak bass. Muddy sound. No punch. It kills the vibe and makes every drive feel like a funeral procession. You're stuck with a system that sounds like it gave up halfway through puberty. If you're tired of limp audio that doesn't slap, you're not alone. It's time to stop settling for less when your ears are begging for more. Let's talk about why your trunk deserves better. Living that no bass struggle life? The pain gets real when your music sounds like it's coming from a cereal box. You try cranking it up, but all you get is distortion and disappointment. Deadlines got you stressed? That sad audio isn't helping. Your ride deserves that concert-grade rumble, but your juggling amp installs blown fuses and wires like it's an episode of Car Audio Survivor. Missed opportunities to flex your setup. Parties that didn't pop. Commutes that dragged. You start wondering, why does my sound system hate fun? Let's be honest, your music should move more than your emotions. Enter the hero, Rockford Fosgate Punch P300-12. Say goodbye to sad beats and hello to thunder. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P300-12 is your plug-and-play audio upgrade, no extra amps, no drama, no headaches. Just 300 watts of pure bass glory housed in a rugged sealed enclosure. It's compact, it's clean, and it's mean. Whether you're into trap, metal, or EDM heart attacks, this beast makes your car feel like a club on wheels. Hook it up, fire it up, and brace for impact. You'll feel the bass in your chest and in your soul. All you need is power, ground, and signal, and you're golden. Clean setup, dirty bass, zero hassle. It's not just about sound, it's about effortless domination. The P300-12 brings remote bass control, adjustable EQ, thermal protection, and auto turn-on tech, all wrapped in a slick, vinyl-covered 5/8-inch MDF box. Designed to survive trunk chaos and teenage DJ dreams, this setup is built like a tank and tuned like a dream. Want clean install vibes with dirty bass drops? Done. Want that "whoa, what sub is that" moment from your friends? Double done. Stop fiddling with mismatched components, Rockford did the hard part for you. Now, hit that link and get your upgrade on. Act now, or keep living that no bass life. Don't let your ride go one more mile sounding like a 2003 flip phone. Thousands of audiophiles have already upgraded, and they're loving it. Stock won't last forever. You snooze, your playlist keeps sounding like trash. So why wait? The Rockford Fosgate Punch P300-12 is ready to change your car audio game forever. It's not just a subwoofer, it's a lifestyle decision. Click now, crank later. This is your sign, your wake-up call, your subwoofer soulmate. Don't just listen. Feel it. Hit that link, join the bass revolution, and let the low end punch you into gear.